SUVs, lots of them, and most dealers have no inventory. Is there room to land down there? Envision Toyota is the place to be.
KCBS News Time, 11:12. San Jose Police Officers Association is calling for an investigation into why mutual aid from outside law enforcement agencies was not requested Saturday night. KCBS's Margie Schaefer reports from San Jose that more than 70 calls to the 911 system went unanswered.
Due to understaffing and no call from mutual aid, President of the San Jose Police Officers Association, Sean Pritchard, says this past Saturday night and Sunday morning, when there were 2 homicides and 2 stabbings,
large portions of our city had no police coverage. Let me say that again. No police coverage. Calls piled up. Residents and businesses needing help did not get it.
Police brass say the calls for service did not rise to the point of needing mutual aid. Sergeant Christian Camarillo says serious police calls were prioritized and the entire swing shift was held over, some officers working 16 hours.
Although we are thinly staffed, our officers do an exceptional job, oftentimes working hours beyond their normally scheduled shifts to take care of the calls in San Jose and to take care of these high-priority incidents.
Calls like residential burglary, a car break-in, or a traffic accident without injuries could not be responded to right away. In San Jose, Margie Schaefer, KCBS.
We'll have sports in 2 minutes.
Will you be the next winner of the San Francisco Bay Dreamhouse raffle? The grand prize is a new multi-million-dollar home in Walnut Creek or $1 million in cash. The San Francisco Bay Dreamhouse raffle will award over 1,000 prizes, including luxury cars, cash, and exotic vacations to destinations like Paris, Bali, Belize, Costa Rica, Hawaii, Jamaica, Canada, and New York City. Get all the details at sfraffle.com. The Dream House is an elegant new home in Walnut Creek, designed and landscaped with luxury in mind. There are 6 bedrooms and 7 baths, a pool, spa, and outdoor kitchen. Do good and win big with the San Francisco Bay Dream House raffle, benefiting Yerba Buena Center for the Arts. The grand prize is your dream house in Walnut Creek or $1 million. Buy your raffle tickets now. Call 800-870-7886. That's 800-870-7886.
My heart was racing just making spaghetti. I could have waited to tell my doctor, but I didn't wait.
I was short of breath just reading a book. I could have delayed telling my doctor, but I didn't wait.
They told their doctors and found out they have atrial fibrillation, a condition which makes it about 5 times more likely to have a stroke. If you have one or more of these symptoms, irregular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, or lightheadedness, this is no time to wait. Contact your doctor.
Brought to you by Mr.
Ew. Stuck in a cycle of rewashing your clothes? Ugh. Because you can't remove tough laundry odor? Ugh. When detergent by itself can't cut it, use new Downy Rinse and Refresh. With a breakthrough odor-removing formula, it removes odors in 1 wash, better than the leading value detergent in 3 washes, keeping all your laundry fresh. Now you can break the cycle of rewashing with Downy Rinse and Refresh.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Alice Wertz with the Twitter takeover means for truth tellers.
KCBS News Time, 11:15. Time now for sports on KCBS. Baseball, Game 3 of the World Series was rained out tonight in Philadelphia. They'll try again tomorrow with more sports. Here's KCBS's Ted Ramey.
The NFL trade deadline is tomorrow at 1 in the afternoon our time. The 49ers have already made a pretty sizable trade, acquiring running back Christian McCaffrey about 2 weeks ago. Is there a chance anything else happens?
I think we're pretty set, but we listen to a call on anybody. We're never not going to listen to people, but I'd be surprised if anything goes down. But, until the deadline, we're always listening.
That is 49ers head coach Kyle Shanahan speaking with the media at his usual day after the game presser on Monday afternoon. 49ers are entering their off week before they return on the 13th of November to host the Chargers on Sunday Night Football. Other NFL trade deadline news, the Ravens have acquired linebacker Roquan Smith from the Bears, with ESPN's Adam Schefter saying that the Ravens are sending the Bears a 2nd and a 5th round pick in the upcoming 2023 draft for Smith, who currently leads the NFL with 83 tackles so far this season. The Ravens are currently in first place in their division and looking to add on. Over to baseball, Game 3 of the World Series, scheduled for Monday evening in Philadelphia, has been postponed until Tuesday evening due to the threat of rain in the forecast. So everything moves back a day. Game 3 on Tuesday, Game 4 on Wednesday, Game 5 on Thursday, and if needed, Game 6 and 7 on Saturday and Sunday. That series currently tied at 1 game apiece between the Phillies and Astros. At the sports desk, Ted Ramey, KCBS.
Doug Andrew here. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 5 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach these free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Dublin, Alamo, and Sacramento, Wednesday through Friday, November 9th through 11th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-261-8181. 1-888-261-8181. That's 1-888-261-8181.
It's probably just allergies. I'm probably good to fly. I probably don't have COVID.
Take the probably out of your plans. Test for COVID-19 if you've been exposed, when you're feeling sick, and before and after traveling and gathering. Learn more at covid19.ca.gov. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
We are just days away from the midterms, and there's no doubt the issues in our local elections have far-reaching implications for the Bay Area. We're breaking those issues down on The Homestretch, Odyssey's new original podcast.
Once you get political elites pushing these ideas, those ideas are going to reach a lot more people.
I'm KCBS political reporter Doug Stalvern. Subscribe to The Homestretch for a 15-minute download on the most pressing issues on this year's ballots.
You know, that's a great question, and actually, in some ways, the governor's race will be a bit of a referendum on that.
KCBS delivers all news all the time on the Odyssey app. Listen to The Homestretch on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Carolyn Burns is back. She's got our latest look at the roads.
And we'll head over to the Golden Gate Bridge. If you're in San Francisco and you're heading to the bridge on 101 northbound, look for 3 left lanes to be shut down for some road work from the toll plaza to right around mid-span. And at the moment, we are seeing traffic that is just creeping along because they're just getting all of this set up. So expect delays for a few more minutes and then for a stretch as you make your way across the bridge. Antioch, eastbound 4 on that Somersville Road off-ramp, it's a 2-car crash. One of them is off into the bushes. Fortunately, we don't have any injuries there, so now they're just waiting for a tow truck. Traffic just cruising on by. And in Oakland on northbound 880 before the Hagenberger Road exit, it's an accident involving a car and a pickup truck. All of that activity is on the right-hand shoulder, so you won't have any problems getting by. Your next traffic update is at 11:28 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Rain is headed our way, depending on where you are. It should start sometime after midnight. Showers expected on Tuesday. The rest of the week will be sunny inland with some cloudiness toward the coast. Highs ranging from mostly the upper 50s at the coast to the low to mid 60s inland. Next weekend we'll see highs in the low to mid 60s with a slight chance of rain on Saturday. Right now in San Francisco, Saratoga, and Half Moon Bay, it's 55 degrees. In Livermore, it's 54 degrees. In Novato, it's 50 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. KCBS News Time is 11:20. Many Twitter users have seen their follower numbers drop since the deal for Elon Musk to buy Twitter closed last week. For institutions of integrity, health, and science experts are taking a wait-and-see approach as to whether to keep a presence or delete their account under the new ownership. We get more from KCBS's Alice Wirtz.
Despite many users reporting a loss of followers, most doctors and health advocates are staying on Twitter for now, even if just to correct misinformation. This is Dr. Peter Chin Hong with UCSF.
Who's really a bona fide source and who's not?
If bots or others are creating misinformation, the role of authentic truth tellers becomes even more vital.
From a and balance perspective, it's even more vital than credible people stay on board so that at least there's another side.
Dr. Chin Hong says when it comes to health and safety, access to credible information in a timely manner is very valuable, like in many industries.
It goes beyond health sciences to earthquakes or wildfires and helping people stay safe.
Dr. Chin Hong says he's staying on the site for now.
We're getting so much information that helps us take care of patients.